Good evening. Here is your week ahead update for gold and cryptocurrency markets.
Get ready for another high volatility week as central banks and key economic data take centre stage, with gold, oil, cryptocurrencies, and global equities all facing major catalysts. Monday at 12:30 Greenwich Mean Time, markets kick off with US durable goods orders, offering an early snapshot of business investment and manufacturing demand. Tuesday at 1400 Greenwich Mean Time, the focus shifts to US consumer confidence, a key gauge of household spending and economic momentum. Wednesday is the headline event. At 14:30 Greenwich Mean Time, traders watch US crude oil inventories before all eyes turn to the Federal Reserve. At 1800 Greenwich Mean Time, the Fed announces its interest rate decision and releases the FOMC statement, followed by Chair Powell's press conference at 18:30 Greenwich Mean Time. While rates are expected to remain at 3.75%, markets will scrutinise every word for clues on the next policy move. A hawkish tone could strengthen the US dollar and pressure gold and Bitcoin, while a dovish message may support risk assets. Thursday brings another wave of market movers. Germany releases Q2 GDP at 8 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time and July CPI at 12 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time. The Bank of England announces its rate decision at 11 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time, while the United States publishes Q2 GDP, core PCE inflation, and initial jobless claims at 12:30 Greenwich Mean Time, critical indicators for the Fed's inflation outlook. Friday closes the week with global data. China's manufacturing PMI arrives at 1:30 Greenwich Mean Time, followed by the Bank of Japan's rate decision at 3 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time, Eurozone CPI at 9 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time, and the US Chicago PMI at 13:45 Greenwich Mean Time. Beyond the calendar, traders will continue monitoring Middle East developments for their impact on oil prices, while crypto markets remain sensitive to ETF flows and US regulatory headlines. Stay informed, trade smart, and we'll bring you every major market move.